first scramble. So my cross pieces are here, here and here. So the way I'm gonna solve is I will keep these three pieces at the left, and then I'll do an L prime, F prime, L, L prime, right? So it solves these three edges relative to each other. Then do a D prime and a U at the same time in order to preserve this. Insert orange and do a wide U prime so as to avoid the rotation for inserting this pair. Then I can just insert this. Then this is my next pair. Insert, rotate, third pair, and while I'm doing that I see my next pair, and as soon as I finish, U2, pair it up and insert it, OLL, PLL. Second scramble. So my cross pieces are here, here and here, and I can see that I can pair these two up while solving my cross. So here is how I would go ahead and solve it. Insert the orange, then green, then replace the red with the orange one. That way I'll have my pair made. D2, U prime, move it away, insert the orange. Now I see that I've made a block and the corresponding piece is here, but if I go ahead and solve it, I'll probably break this, so I'll just go and complete the cross. D prime, rotate, solve it in the back slot, next pair over here, then these two, then I'll just rotate and solve it the normal way and insert it with F moves, then OLL, PLL. Third scramble, and in this one I'll be doing the yellow cross. So my cross pieces are here, here, here and here. So I can see this pair, so I'll preserve it. What I'm going to do is insert red first, insert red, do an F prime, insert the green at the back while inserting the orange, B, then go ahead and insert orange, blue. So my pair is ready to be inserted. Insert that, rotate, solve this. While solving, I'm looking ahead to my next F12 pair, and I see that if I solve this automatically gets solved. I can just insert it in the back. So insert, and then this gets paired up, pair it up in the back, and 3 move insert over here, OLL, PLL. Fourth scramble, and in this case I'll be doing a yellow X cross. So here is how I would do it. Okay, D prime, insert the blue, solve this edge, R prime, D2, then insert green and red, and as you can see this is solved. And my next pair would be these two, break it up, rotate, insert. My next pair would be these two, as this doesn't require any rotation and I can just do it from this angle. Then do a wide D prime, then insert these two. Next OLL, PLL. Fifth scramble. So in this case I'll be doing a white cross, and all of the pieces are already in their places. They are just one move away from being solved, right? So, and I also noticed that when I solve the red, there'll be a pair formed, and it's pretty easy to preserve it, right? So let's do it. First insert red, then solve green and blue, and then you can just do a D2, rotate, and I'll solve it in the back. Next these two. Then while solving this I noticed this, and I'll be keeping a track of them, and as soon as I complete this I'll go on with my next move, and then at last these two will be at back. So rotation. Now I won't insert it the normal way, as it would give me a dot OLL, so I would go ahead and do it this way. And I'll have all my crosses yellow edges oriented. I don't know COLL, so I'll just go ahead with the OLL and a Y form. last scramble for today, and this scramble is fairly easy and you can solve both white and yellow. So I'll be just demonstrating the white. I won't be doing the moves as I'll be solving the yellow. But what you can do for white is technically insert the orange, then blue. So while you're inserting the orange and blue, this pair gets solved, like this. Then you can just go ahead and complete green and red. You probably don't need to preserve it, as I feel like you can just go ahead and do the 3 move insert. But I'll be doing yellow in this case, and I'll show you how I can get an X cross. So these pieces are pretty much solved, right? So orange and blue is solved, green is over here, you can solve it, then do a D prime, insert the red, and you can fix the cross. So what I'm going to do is hold these two pieces at the left, and what I'm going to do for X cross is, I see this pair, right? So I'm going to do an F, then do an L prime, then I can pair these up like a block, then insert the green and do a D prime, and while inserting the red I'll solve this green and orange edge. So L prime, U prime, L, and now you can see this is solved. So if I do a D, it's solved. Next I'll probably go ahead with this pair, not the best one, but this was certainly what I would see in an actual solve. So I'll just go ahead with do with F moves, then solve this. Next one is these two, and my last will be these two. So I can just cancel right ahead. OLL and PLL. So hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough solves, and if you guys want more such more videos, please do comment. Thank you.